Hi Beb, this is Ivy and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to convert your unused official receipt to invoice or service invoice for individual and non-individual taxpayer. If you are interested na malaman kung paano ito gawin, please keep watching until the end of this video.
Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, I invite you to please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong video gaya nito. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Good news po para sa ating mga taxpayers. Pwede na po tayo mag-submit ng inventory list of unused official receipt via email. Nakasaad po sa RMC 66/2024 na inisyu noong June 14, 2024 na Guidelines in Submission of Inventory Report on or before July 31, 2024 and Notice on Remaining of Official Receipt, Billing Statement, Statement of Charges within 30 days from the completion of machine or system reconfiguration, enhancement on or before December 31, 2024, whichever comes first. Okay, so pwede na natin gamitin ang ating mga natitirang resibo hanggang sa maubos ito. Wala na pong deadline. For today's video, ang gagawin natin ay pag-convert ng official receipt to service invoice at submission ng inventory report. Taxpayers have two options to submit their inventory report. Number 1 is via email through Taxpayer Registration Related Applications or TRRA portal, which is accessible po ito sa BIR website under e-services section, gaya nito. Another option is via direct email of inventory report and notice to the RDO compliance section, gaya nito. Para naman po sa mga taxpayers without email or internet access, pwede pa rin naman po kayong mag-manually submission ng inventory report and notice where the concerned head office or branch is registered. Now, how to change official receipt to invoice? Kagaya ko din ba kayo ng marami pang booklets ng resibo ang hindi pa nagagamit? Oh no! Don't worry, Beb. Pwede na natin itong i-convert from official receipt to invoice sa pamamagitan ng pagguhit ng salitang official receipt at tatatakan ng word na invoice, cash invoice, charge invoice, credit invoice, billing invoice, service invoice, or any name describing the transaction gaya nito. By the way, Beb, nagpagawa lang po ako nitong stamp. So, pwede nyo nang magamit yung mga resibo nyo hanggang sa maubos ito. Next, magpe-prepare na tayo ng inventory list. Ito yung sample ng inventory list na isasubmit ko sa BIR. So, naka-indicate ang taxpayer name, TIN number, RDO branch kung meron, at business address. Then, itong ATP-OCN, ito ay makikita sa inyong authority to print, gaya nito. So, ito ang OCN, at ito naman ang date issued. Aside from that, pwede nyo din pong makita ang ATP-OCN sa mismong resibo nyo, gaya nito. So, nakasulat dito ang BIR ATP-OCN at date of ATP. Next, sa description, ilagay kung anong resibo ito, type, remaining number of booklets kung ilan ang unused OR, number of sets per booklet, number of copies per set, at serial numbers na makikita sa remaining OR mo. Then, ilagay ang name ng taxpayer at signature. Once na okay na, scan lang po natin ito. Ganito naman po yung sample kapag non-individual taxpayer. Next, mag-i-email na tayo ng inventory list sa RDO branch natin. I'm using option 2, email through the compliance section. Para naman sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung ano ang email address ng inyong compliance section, ito po yung list. Ganito nga pala ang in-email ko sa compliance section at naka-attach ang inventory list na ginawa ko. So wait na lang po tayo ng acknowledge email from BIR. On the same day, naka-receive na ako ng reply mula sa RDO branch ko, gaya nito. If ever na ang inyong submission is not received by the concerned recipient RDO, pwede naman po kayo mag-resubmit until successfully delivered or acknowledged by the concerned RDO. So, ganun lang kadali ang pag-change ng official receipt to invoice at ang submission ng inventory list online. By the way, Beb, ito nga pala yung suggested format ng Taxpayer Registration Related Application or TRRA para sa BIR Inventory List at Notice. Downloadable po ito sa BIR website. Nasa description box din po yung link. So I think that's it for this video. Sana nakatulong sa inyo and thank you so much sa wala niyong sawang pagsubaybay sa mga video ko. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga video ko. Thank you and God bless everyone. Follow for more!